Hello, good day. I'm in front of you to discuss about A Plan 5. So, first, you need to identify the following. We define first the name of the vessel, voyage number, date, departure point, arrival point, and also the departure details and so on. So, how do we get that? So, so we get that from here and here. So how do we get the true curse? First, we need to identify the variation and deviation. And how do we find the variation? So first, we need this following: 2021 minus 2013 year minus the following. So we get that 8 times 2 equals to 16 minutes west. Then 45 minutes west plus 16 minutes west equals to variation of 1 degrees 1 minute west. So that's how we get our variation. The next one is deviation. How do we find our deviation? So we need a deviation card, and our bearing is 309 degrees and it is almost at 310 degrees. So do we get it as 1 degrees west? So and the next, how do we get our true curse? So this is, we need to find it at this formula. CDMVT stands for course, deviation, magnetic compass, variation, and true curse. So our compass bearing is 309 degrees and our deviation is 1 degrees west. Magnetic course is 308 degrees and our variation is 1 degrees 1 minute west, and our true course is 306 degrees 59 minutes west, or 307 degrees. So that's how we get our true course. And how do we find our direction, wind directions? So we get it from here, because our wind force is 3 knots. So at 12 hours, and that is northeast monsoon wind. And how do we get our clouds? The zero cumulus fair weather. So we get that from here, because we need to identify these clouds and it is zero cumulus. And sea state, what do we find as sea state or rippled? So we get that from then we find the East Milon Islands. We get that from here. Alter her course to 004 degrees and the true speed of 12 knots. So how do we get a barometric measure? So as you can see at the barometer reading, it is 112 millibars. And how do we get our temperature reading? So we get that from here, because it is, see at the red line, it is 24. So that's it. I hope you have a learnings from our explanation. So thank you for listening.